Good day everyone. This is my online RSA calculation. RSA or Reverse Shamir Adalman is an algorithm to use encrypt and decrypt message. Developed by the three author, that's why the name of algorithm is RSA. This is an asymmetric algorithm. We know that is a symmetric algorithm. We use private key and public key for encryption and decryption message. So both sender and receiver use private key and public key for encryption and decryption. While symmetric algorithm we have only one key for encryption and decryption. So until now we have seen symmetrical algorithm. There we are going to see, so we have to see the symmetrical algorithm, that is RSA algorithm. So let's see the formula of encryption. C is equal to P raised to E mod N. C is hypertext, so P is the plain text message, so for expecting we need public key is equal to E, so C equal to P raised to E mod N. This is the formula of description, that is P is equal to C raised to D n mod. P is for plain text message, C is for the hypertext message, so P equals to C raised to D mod N. D is the private key, so P equals to C raised to D mod N. Value of E, value of D, and value of N. And this is the key generation steps. Now let's see the example of key generation steps. Step 1 is consider two prime number. Here the two prime numbers P equals 3, Q equals 5. So we consider two prime numbers. Next step is calculate the value of N. So the formula of calculating the value of N is N equals P and Q. So 3 times 5 equals 15. So the value of N equals 15. So next step is to calculating the value of phi of N. So the phi of N is equal to P less 1 and Q less 1. So the value of P is 3 and the value of Q is 5. So the value of phi of N is calculate the 3 minus 1 and 5 minus 1. So the phi of N is 8. So this is the calculating. The next step is to select public key E, and the condition for selecting the value of E is it should satisfy to this two condition. GCD E phi of N equals 1. Value of E greater than 1, less than phi of N. We should to calculate the value of E which satisfied two conditions. Now, we have the two conditions. This is example. 3 and 8 equals 1. 5 and 8 equals 1. CG 7 and 8 equals 1. So, we have considered the value of E equals 3. Next step, find the value of D. So, D and E mod phi of N equals 1. D and substitute the value of 3 equals N. So, D and 8 3 mod 8 equals 1. Consider the D is 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Mod 8 equals 1. So, the value of D is 3. The equation defined on elliptic curve y2 equals x3 plus a x plus b. For the same contrast, A and B below is an example of such a curve. An elliptic curve over C is the compass manifold of the form C and L. There L is 2 plus WZ is an lattice in the complex plane. That's all. Thank you. I hope you understand.